Now we move to item 27. Mrs. Laila Egensberg is going to present it.
Yes, it's me. I'm going to make a statement from Hjordis one from Island. She cannot be here today because she was put to jail yesterday. She and her daughters has been living in fear and with all kind of abuse for several years with her ex-husband, the children's father. Then she escaped from him, and the ministry, the state of the ministry told her that if she was going to Iceland to stop this kind of abuse for years, they will protect her. They didn't. Last week the police came and took her, and yesterday they put her in prison in Denmark. No accusation, no nothing, so there is nowhere she can complain to. They have lived in very, very great fear for many years, all the daughters and her, and I'm pleading and hoping that the committee will help her and her children. They really need it. Thanks.